So the next type of winding connection in a three-phase system is a delta connection. So this is how a delta connected three-phase system looks like. So there are three windings which are connected in the form of a closed mesh. So this is a delta connected system. So let this be the R phase, this is the Y phase, and this is the B phase. Then connections are taken out from all the three junctions. This is how the connection is done. And let the current flowing through R phase be marked as IRY. So here in delta connection, this current is marked as IRY. IRY. And this current flowing through B phase is marked as IBR. And this is current flowing through the Y phase is IYB. So these are the three phase currents, and the current flowing out through this winding is, through this junction is IR, this is IY, and this is IB. So this is how the currents are marked. Now voltages. Voltage across these two lines is marked as VRY. So because it is the voltage between R and Y. R and Y. So this is VRY, and that between Y and B is VYB, and that between R and B is VBR. So these are the voltages and currents. So phase voltages are IRY, IBR and IYB. So how will you remember this? See, for R phase the current is IRY. That is current flowing through R phase which is coming from Y. Alle? This direction line current we mark cheyyam. So current flowing through R which is coming from Y. So here current flowing through B coming from R, IBR. Current flowing through Y coming from B, IYB. So these are the three currents. Now see the line voltages. So voltage between these two lines is marked as VRY, which is same as the voltage across this phase winding. So the voltage across this phase winding is same as voltage between these two lines, because this phase winding is connected in between these two lines. So that means in a delta connected system, the line voltage and the phase voltage are the same. So for a delta connected system, VL is equal to VP. VL is equal to VP. And see, now regarding the line current and phase current, so they are different. So IRY is the current flowing through this phase winding, which gets divided into two. A part is flowing through this line, remaining through this phase. So the line currents and phase currents are different, and we need to derive expression for line current, expression relating the line current and the phase current. So let us consider any one line current. So consider this current IRY that is flowing through R phase. So IRY flows through this phase, and at this point it divides into two, IR and IBR. So we can write IRY is equal to IR plus IBR, or the line current IR will be equal to IRY minus IBR. So let us consider this line current IR for deriving the relationship. the phasor diagram, let us draw the phase voltages first. Let voltage of R phase VRY be the reference. The next voltage VYB lags behind VRY by an angle 120 degree, and the next one VBR lags behind VYB by an angle 120 degree. So these are the phase voltages, which is similar to the line voltage. Now we have to draw the phase currents, and we have already said that while studying the star connected systems, we have seen that, or we have discussed that all these windings are inductive in nature, or inductive. That means they are having a large value of inductance and a very small value of resistance. So they will exhibit inductive property, or it will be like a series RL circuit. So in a series RL circuit, the current lags behind the voltage by an angle phi. So all the phase currents lags behind the corresponding phase voltage by an angle phi. So this is how we have to draw the phase currents. All of them lags behind the corresponding phase voltages by an angle phi. So we have drawn the phase voltages as well as phase currents. Now we need to draw this line current IR, and we have got it as the phasor difference between IRY and IBR, or this can be written as IRY plus minus IBR, both are same. So we can find IR as the phasor sum of these two vectors, IRY and minus IBR. So we have IRY here, IRY is here, we need minus IBR. So this is IBR. By extending IBR in the opposite direction, we will get minus IBR, and IR will be the vector sum of IRY and minus IBR, IRY and minus IBR. So how will you take the resultant of IRY and minus IBR? So same as in the previous case, the parallelogram law of vector addition. So complete a parallelogram with these two vectors as sides. Then the resultant, or the diagonal of the parallelogram, will give the resultant of these two vectors, diagonal of the parallelogram. So complete the parallelogram. So this will be the resultant, that is IR. So according to parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant, the magnitude of the resultant will be equal to square root of one vector, that is IRY square plus IBR square plus 2 into this vector into this vector, that is IRY into IBR into cosine of angle between the two vectors, that is this angle. So current angle between IRY and IYB is 120 degree, and this IBR passes through the center of that angle. That means this much of angle is 60 degree. So cos 60. So this will be equal to IRY is our phase current. So this can be replaced by IP. IBR is also our phase current, can be replaced as IP. So this becomes square root of IP square plus IP square plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So here it is IP into IP square. So we will get it as square root of 3 IP square, or root 3 into IP. So that means in a delta connected system, the line current will be equal to root 3 times the phase current. IL is equal to root 3 IP. So this is the relationship between currents, line current and phase current in a delta connected system. In a delta connected system, line voltage is equal to phase voltage, and line current is equal to root 3 times the phase current. So this is the relationship for a delta connected system. Whereas in a star connected system, the equal quantities are the line current and the phase current. So there line voltage is equal to root 3 times the phase voltage. So the relation for delta connected system is like this. So these are the relationship between voltage and current in a delta connected system.